Hey, what's up, guys? It's Next. So, I told you that I was going to select an official outfit. So I select. So I'm going to select the game's logos outfit every time. Yep. Whenever the new update comes, whenever the new logo comes, I will just be changing my outfits. The official ones of mine. And no, I won't be selecting an official gun. That would be too much. So today, not on we will not only be selecting outfits. I already did it. I didn't show it to you guys. So yeah, we'll also be reviewing the tinsel truck and the party boat. What's its name? Not this one, the lower one. Carol Cruiser. Yep, that one, guys. So yeah, first I will be telling you guys why am I going to review all the two items on the same day. Not that they're red, the default color is red. I'm going to review it the same time because both of them were released on the same update, same sale, and the same day. Doesn't make sense if I say it's on the same day after I say same sale. So yeah, I will be selecting red first. If I lose it, then I will be selecting another color. Yeah, let's get it delivered. What the? It's 343,000? Great. Good. Great. And right now I don't know where am I. Started. Started, damn it. Damn it. And I just hold the guns for fun. Get in. So yeah, basically it has drones which don't shoot automatically. Means I have to do the hard part. Target them. And the drone will do the easy part. Just give bullets. Ooh, that was a good fat bullet. And yep, you know what? Let's get another tinsel truck delivered. Yeah, you can do it. You couldn't do it in the past updates. I think only for one update. But for this update, you can get two different vehicles also using a glitch, by the way. Yep, that's true, guys. Using a glitch. But this thing what I'm doing right now, that's not a glitch, alright. That's a basic feature. That's not a glitch. You know. Glitch means the game hides it. But this thing the game doesn't hide it. Alright? And the reason it's showing no internet is because I forgot to connect it. Let me just connect it, alright? Stop recording. And keep the timer like that only. So yeah, here I am back. Turned on my internet. So where is it delivered? Great. And yeah, this vehicle will disappear. And there are neons below the truck, which you'll get in the night time. Now it's day, which is good, guys, because I like daytime. I like to record in the daytime. Yeah. Why is the drone disappearing? Alright. Is that a glitch? Oh, right. Is it? It is a glitch. So it won't disappear while shooting, by the way. Oh, the drone stays back. Alright, my bad. The drone isn't catching up with me. It just kind of teleported, alright. Oh, I missed the turn, missed the turn, missed the turn. Wait, forgot to hit the brake. Just started turning. The radio and my crash was at the same time. Like, it shouted, ah! And I kind of crashed into the wall. Wait, one, two, stop it, Gopolino. Oh, and by the way, I was not targeting the tinsel truck. I was targeting the Gopolino. Alright, target it. Let the cars run away. You know, that is common, alright? Good bullets, man. That bullet is hard, dude. So let's go to the military base and see how good this truck performs, Before that, let's roam around in the desert. Let me just teleport into the desert. Who will ride till there, alright? Who will ride till freaking there? That's so far. Ooh. Let's collect that money first. 54,000. Great. So that's what I get, huh? Eh, I didn't even waste half of the money that I got from my properties. Why is that happening? I just don't like it. And if I would play in a newer version, a newer phone with a better RAM, I think I won't get that problem. I think it will show like the drone went back and came like that. Yeah, the left drone is stable. Sometimes the right one is stable. Sometimes. And yeah, I'm not saying you guys that I never rode in this truck before. I just rode once in the desert. Not in the desert, by the way. I just tried to do this ram jump over here. Now let me test the bullets of this on this thingy. Dude. These bullets are not targeting good. The drone is not targeting good. But it's just shooting lasers, alright. Which is a good one feature. Great. This pickup truck is stuck. Even if the drone gets back, it's shooting. Good, man. It's kind of good. Quick reload, dude. Wait. The cooldown is pretty short. Great. I don't like this. Even if that thingy goes, the light thingy goes, but the light glows remains the same level, alright? That's like a bad feature, dude. Game Law, fix it, alright? Great. My driving skills are not good. Yeah, I will be getting bad for bad anyway. I didn't even shoot one object, blast one object that is moving. Shoot it. And the reason I'm not getting cops if I even shoot in front of them, it's because it reduces police awareness. So let's try out that jump I was talking about before. Let's teleport there. Alright. Who won't teleport when you have 100 million? I just keep them just in case. Just in case, guys. To do things like this, teleport and things, Hey, let's prepare the vehicle first. And yeah, I don't waste money on the repair kits and thingies. I just use ad bucks. Yeah, I never spend them. I think I have about 50, not 15. I think I have about 100 of them. Yep. And I keep watching ads, guys. Every day I watch ads. That's how I get armor for free. Oh, that was close, alright. Let's try it once more. Go to the shop. The loadout is taking so much. Great. Internet is off again. So yeah, guys, it's a part 2. Why I'm keeping part 2 is just for fun. No, yep, just for fun, guys. So I did the jump last time, so now I am going to do it again. You know what? I won't upload it as I will upload it as a part 2. That would be just fun, alright? And I will be showing you my house too. And I will be showing you a glitch in the next video by which you can go into house with a specific vehicle. And that's you know what, I won't tell it to you guys right now. Watch the next video for it. Okay, I don't want to be so rude with you. So the glitch is you need a hockey car, not hockey one, the golf car which you roam around. No, I think not. That's not the golf car. The cars which you get in the hotel. They they make you roam in. They make you roam in it, but only in some hotels. Yeah. Great. Why can't I teleport over here? Should I have to drive all the way up? You know what? So there goes all the money I collected from my landmarks. And oh, my bad, my bad. That jump is not over here. My bad, alright. My bad. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Great, I crashed. Let's do it once more. And one drone will get stuck over there. Oh, two of them, huh? Let's wait for that drone. 3, 2, 1, go. One drone will be stuck here. I feel so bad for that. Oh, two of them are stuck. The right one is back first. That is close, alright. That was close. And I think that is my driving skills because mine are not so good. So, yep. This will be it for the day. For the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you all, guys, in the next one. Until then, take care, guys, and peace out. And you were asking why I said the video. Because I will be making another video today. So, yep. I'll say the dialogue again. This will be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you all, guys, in the next one. Until then, take care, guys, and peace out. Let's go to our house for the next one video, man. Great. Stuck, alright.